decided to do it, tired, bro. Like, literally tired, man. Oh my god, I'm telling you. Look at you, man. Super hot. It's crazy. You feel sweating also. You feel it. Sweating. It's crazy. Man. Good, come on. A hoodie, whoa, really? The hoodie?
Wat daar? Daar zetten.
Bam. Ga je ook echt surfen of is het gewoon voor de show?
Ja, man.
Make sure you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel because seriously, I'm gonna start swimming my life IRL swimming. Definitely gonna be big, of course, man. So get ready with me. Get ready and make sure you guys follow. Let's go.
Last weekend,
And
quitting drinking for a bit.
last weekend, that's still Hali.
Yeah, but listen, you need to know, I've been doing this for 12 years now.
12
and
years.
Every day of the year is this for me.
Free drinks.
Yes, love.
Yeah.
Where you from?
Really nice.
Niger.
Bro's doing the show already, bro.
I'm not from Nigeria, though. I'm from Sierra Leone.
What? You know that?
You know that? You know that?
Yeah, of course.
You've been there before?
No, I want to go.
We're gonna go.
You guys been to Africa before? You guys
We're
been
gonna
to Africa
travel
before?
this world. But boys, yeah, what you're here to party to tell
To
me.
do vlogs,
We
to
here to
parties, to
party.
do every shit, you know?
Yeah.
To do every type of shit because this is what we do.
Yeah.
We're
Yeah.
content creators, so
Oh,
we do a YouTube.
You guys look
stuff like
nice,
that.
bro.
Watch out,
Can't
you
lie.
look like Rema. Don't sing here.
Come on, bro. That's too much.
Calm down.
No, you're gonna go to 20th, remember?
I'm gonna check, bro. I'm gonna check.
Oh, man.
Maybe. I don't
On
know.
Friday, next
On
next
Friday.
Next Friday.
Yeah, this Friday actually.
Bro,
Yeah,
you need to
definitely
go
I'm
there.
going,
You
bro.
Yeah. Oh, you're at the party of his. He's like a big
Jam
influencer
Life.
and party giver in the OnlyFans.
Really?
Yeah, man.
Bro, a pleasure.
He has Ronnie-
A pleasure,
his
bro.
name is Ronnie Rolex because he has a lot of Rolex.
We need
Oh,
to
like-
share Instagram.
Okay,
Damn, bro.
okay.
What's your Instagram, man? Like, what you influencer, dog?
Zo lekker nog varen.
Yeah, sure, I understand. You came prepared, right? You came prepared. You came prepared. What you gonna do? What we gonna buy? What you gonna do? What you gonna do?
Look, all I read was
Of course, man.
I don't know what to expect. Then
Yeah.
I seen the boat. I was like, all right. Now I kind of got an idea what we got to work with. It's going to be a cozy time.
Yeah, sure.
You sure you don't want to remove the tag on that one?
Well,
Fresh out the box.
come on. Definitely gonna be crazy. Gonna be
Right now, so let's pull up. Yeah.
we bought right now. That's past that.
Let's go, Patty. You excited though? Are you?
Yeah, sure.
Let's go. Let's go.
Bro, I told you need to be careful.
You good?
Bro, look at everybody coming right now, and it's gonna be crazy. Like I'm saying, look, everybody's coming. There's a whole trip. Look, we out here. Oh my God, you guys need to get ready because I'm gonna post this on YouTube and make
Thank
sure
you
guys
so much.
Appreciate it, channel and turn your
Appreciate
post
it, guys.
notification because definitely
Let's
we're
come
gonna
on
post
the
this
side,
shit.
Checkmate. Most like men. Look how all the pretty girls are sitting. Yo, look, fine. Let's let this. I need to take some fun. I little fun. Hey. Thank you.
Crazy, like the police are here and now they're gone. Of course, they cannot tell this vibe for us.
Really, you're my biggest hype woman.
Oh, that's cool. It's good to have fun like that, though. So hype you, though.
She's a good friend.
Their adopted sister.
Yeah, because we're sisters, so she's ginger and she's ginger as well. So now she's our third sister.
Hey, you guys are triplets.
Triplets.
Oh, we could be triplets.
I don't think so. I don't think so.
Of course.
I think
Made it like a little.
Well, they do it like, normally they do have some arguments. Like, they have some arguments sometimes, like they need to settle.
No,
But they're always good.
we argumentative.
Yeah, we do. We have a lot of arguments.
Like, they have arguments, but not problems.
No.
But you try to settle them sometimes.
No, they just argue.
No, not with her.
Nasty, 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 up in the nasty girl, 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 nasty, up in the nasty, nasty, nasty. Is somebody gonna match my freak? Is somebody set my soul on fire? Hey, my baby, your heart right right now. Overstanding right now. No one I can't run by now. Go me stay step by step. You never want desire. You never want desire.
Check ons overal. Instagram, TikTok, waar dan ook. Check ons.
Hi.
Yes.
Deelt u mijn identiteit. Barman! Vijf personen. Nu meteen.
Nog een keertje.
Dat is mooi. Ik zie het aan jullie. Jij ook, jongens. Ja, zo man. Hoort erbij, hè.
So we are done, literally. We are done, bro. Cause like I was drinking as hell, bro. You know, bro. Like Pasora, they got me covered. Like I never know like this. She got 5%, and I've been drinking like, oh my god,
Bro, 5% is gonna make you drunk.
bro. I take this still like 5 or 10, bro. I was drinking, you know, we promoting the brand, like stuff like that, man. Let's pull up. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate you guys, and make sure you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel.
See you next time.
Yeah.